po, nagpalabas tayo ng order right after na lumabas din yung declaration of national energy emergency ng Pangulo. And the following day kasi nagkaroon ng recommendation ang Department of Energy na isuspend ang wholesale electricity spot market, which the ERC decided to do. And for that purpose, the ERC decided na yung existing na administered price kasi, if it will be implemented, it will not reflect kung ano yung talagang costs nung mga generators natin. So the ERC, together with its issuance of the order of suspension, the ERC decided to come out with a modified administered price mechanism and subjected it to public consultation. And as committed, the ERC on April 1 has already finalized yung modified admin price niya and has issued a corresponding resolution.
The question that's on people's minds is, will this bring down electricity rates significantly?
Ang concern kasi is not really on that alone, yung bringing down of electricity rates, but ensuring na yung market prices natin will not be as high as when there would be really a shortage, na kung saan if the generators will just be submitting their offers, and if the prices in WESM will depend on these price offers, we can see na mas mataas ang mangyayaring ang lalabas na mga presyo in WESM. Kaya with the suspension of the WESM, yung ganung pag-determine ng market prices, which is based on the offers of the generators, hindi mangyayari yon. Instead, ang mag-a-apply are the administered price.